My people, now welcome to today's gist. Today's story na about one woman wey don go fall in love with chimpanzee. This woman carry herself say she dey go zoo. I know say zoo na where animals dey where they watch. This one dey inside Belgium. Before we go see na there auntie carry herself, I no know wetin she dey find. Go enter where they keep monkey and chimpanzee. Before we go see na there this animal begin do this auntie sis. The thing they call her na there auntie begin look back, front and center. Say, what if they call me for this kind place? Before she go look, na there this chimpanzee they blink eye, they give her say, oh baby, now you are the talk to. Na there she self come carry herself, rotate herself, go there. Before we go see chimpanzee begin tap this lady for nyash. They show her say na so in love this woman rich. Before we go see two of them begin give themselves kisses. The woman there from one side, this thing they do, baby, I love you. She said they for her own side of the glass, they do her own self, say I love you too. Before we go see, now there auntie fall in love. She fall in love wholeheartedly, carry everything, give her. Before we go see, this woman turn regular customer. Morning, night, if this woman there for this zoo. Now there they go report this case to the people. Now there they come decide, say, make they ban this auntie. Say this love what she they give this animal, it don't too much. Now there one auntie come outside, now they cry. Oh. Say this thing what they do to her, say it pain her, say the thing no sweet her. Say because say what she and this animal, in fact their love they very deep. And say they very real, and say this one what they do, it really pain her. My people beg, they can follow me watch.
Het probleem is, ik heb een verhouding, zal ik maar zeggen, met een aap. En hij heet Cheetah, hij is 38 jaar. Wel, die begint te zwaaien met zijn armen. Of naar omhoog te zwaaien met zijn armen. En dan kusjes geven. En op zijn hoofd krabben. Dus er gebeurt niks verkeerd. Ik misdoe dat beest niks, want ik kan er ook niet aan. Dus ik vraag mijn eigen af. Als die anderen dat allemaal mogen, er zijn er zo nog tientallen die dat doen. Waarom ik niet?
Ja, ze laten hem eigenlijk langs de kant liggen. Ja, ze beschouwen hem niet als een deel van de groep, maar dat is niet goed voor hem. Dat zijn sociale dieren, die vlooien elkaar, die zoeken sociale contacten, die spelen met elkaar. En als hij continu bezig is met bezoekers, ja, dan om den duur, als die bezoekers weg zijn, ja, heeft hij ook niets om handen en zit hij daar maar alleen. En dat, voor een sociaal dier is dat absoluut niet oké voor zijn welzijn.
Dan wordt hij buitengesloten.
Ja, inderdaad. Ja.
Wat betekent Cheetah voor jou?
Veel. Heel veel. Heel veel.
Hey, yeah, I don't see love wanting to. Because this woman now they claim say she no see why people go visit this animal. And she as a person now, they can't talk to me, she know they visit her lover again. Say she no go take this one with them. Say in fact, if not to fight them, she dey fully ready. She go carry these people go anywhere. But anyway, this zookeeper self they claim say then get reason why they ban this woman. Say now because say waiting. Say this animal no they too bond again with people. Say since when he meets this in love of in life, about time go even call her. The animal no they green near anybody again. And see as he be in own fellow animals now come the reason say maybe the animal cheetah no they part of their own group on the see. Animal don't even begin disown their own no. Thinking say the animal no even they part of their group. And see as love don't blind animal eye. He don't even blind the woman herself eye join. But me, I go advise say this woman, the only thing where she really need na attention and care from her family member. Because this one, I no sure say she dey okay. I sure say na oyinbo problem miss with Igbo, na dey worry her. Because I never see where we say man don't finish for this life. You can't decide say na this animal. Now you won't carry as your soulmate. So auntie abeg, I find your family members, make them follow you talk, make them show you love. Maybe by then your mind go calm down. This planet Earth, so many news now we go to hear. Anyway, my people, now here I go end this matter. If you not get anything to talk about them, make a write them inside the comment section. Make a stay tuned for the next video.